Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Our today lecture is about how to find number of subset of given set or how to make subset of a set. First of all, we learn about how to find the number of subset of a given set. So for this, we take an example of set. For example, we have a set A is equal to 1 and 2. So for finding number of subset, we have a formula. Number of subset is equal to 2 power n. As we have set P of A power set of A set, so subset are power set of A set, so P of A is equal to 1, 2. Number of elements in the set is 2, so A is equal to n and n is equal to 2. n mean number of elements in given set. Number of elements in given set. So n is equal to 2 power 2. So this means 2 multiplied by 2, which equal to 4. So the given set A has 4 subset. Now how to make subset? So for subset we write P of A is equal to 1, 2. In every set there is an empty set. So write empty set number 1. Second element is 1, 2. And the first one is this. Take this 1 and 2. There is no number after 2, so another subset is impossible for given set. So power set or a subset of a given set is equal to empty set 1 set 2 1 2. So this is a possible power set of a given set. If we have element, another example, we have set P which has 3 elements, for example 2, 3 and 5. So P of B is equal to 2, 3, 5. B is equal to n and n is equal to 1, 2, 3. N is equal to 3. N means number of elements in given set. So number of elements is 1, 2 and 3. Now find number of subset given set is equal to 2 power n. So 2n is a number of element in the set. So 2 power 3. It means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 4, 4 and 8. There are 8 possible subset of a given set. Now we make subsets. So P of B is equal to 2, 3, 5. Subsets are first set is empty, second 2, 3, 5. Then take this element 2, 3 and these two 2, 5. Now 3, 5. After 3 there exists only one digit 5. No digit exists, so here one possible subset and the three elements 2, 3, 5. After the one digit, so not possible with this other subset. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The possible subset of a given set are 8. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.